Repository number 1, ES4OS AI/DBGPT. This repository AI native data app development framework with AWEL, Agentic Workflow Expression Language, and agents. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. DBGPT, AI native data app development framework with AWEL, Agentic Workflow Expression Language, and agents. Discord documents. Weishin community. Paper, what is DBGPT? The purpose is to build infrastructure in the field of large models through the development of multiple technical capabilities such as multi-model management, SMMF, text-to SQL effect optimize. Repository number 2, AgentOps AI/AgentOps. This repository Python SDK for AI agent monitoring, LLM cost tracking, benchmarking, and more. Integrates with most LLMs and agent frameworks including OpenAI Agents SDK, Crew AI, LangChain, AutoGen, AG2, and Camel AI. Here's a brief overview. Repository, AgentOps AI/AgentOps description, Python SDK for AI agent monitoring, LLM cost tracking, benchmarking, and more. Key integrations: electric plug bar chart replay analytics, and debugging step-by-step agent execution graphs, money with wings, LLM cost management track, spend with LLM foundation model providers, test tube agent benchmarking, test your agents against 1.0.0.0 plus evals locked with key compliance and security, detect common prompt injection and data exfiltration, exploits handshake framework integrations native. Repository number 3, Public APIs/Public APIs. This repository a collective list of free APIs. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. Try public APIs for free. The public APIs repository is manually curated by community members like you and folks working at API layer. It includes an extensive list of public APIs from many domains that you can use for your own products.